welcome back to my YouTube channel. The light is so pretty here. I thought of shooting my intro right here. I'm here at Goa to celebrate my mom's birthday and I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. I would really appreciate if you could go and subscribe to my YouTube channel below right now. Hi. Good. फिर से तुम लोग व्लॉग में ऐसे आओगे अभी से बोल रही हाय गुड मॉर्निंग Goa is on! We have finally landed at Goa and we are right now in the cab. Say hi! So we'll be reaching in around 38 minutes. I happen to love places with coconut trees and Goa is just so beautiful with it, and it also has, I don't know, something like a bandra ceiling. We have reached the hotel and oh my god, it is around 32 degrees over here. Very hot. But the place is like, wow, I am literally screaming. I can't tolerate a lot of winter, so I like places which are quite humid, just like this. And this is what they gave us as a welcome. They also gave us this kokum juice. Yeah, so kokum juice. We are just checking in right now. So this is the property. Hi guys. अरे 2 मिनट तुम लोग चुप रहोगे प्लीज.
ये भी नहीं खोलेगा.
So we are staying at Taj Citadel, Goa, and they have upgraded us to a premium sea view room, and I'm gonna take you through it. Obviously, it is kind of the cutest room that I have ever seen. I mean, the view over here is to just die for. This is the balcony, guys. Like, oh my god. Now we are going at this infinity pool, which is on the other property, which is Horizon. We are now at Citadel Heritage, so we are gonna go there at the Horizon. So we are here at the Taj Horizon property, and it is so beautiful. You can see the pool. It's the infinity pool behind me, and damn pretty this is. And now we're gonna take like a I got my mom behind. Now we're gonna take like a quick swim and yeah, I'll get back. Since I'm on vacation, I'm gonna drink the damn hot chocolate. Now we are headed to the Panjim market, which is 15 minutes away from the hotel, and we are hoping to shop some souvenirs or something at least. I got the golden hour is here, and wow, I have no makeup on my skin right now. I just had a hair wash after the swim, and yeah, this is how my skin is. No makeup, no sunscreen. So we have arrived at the Panji market. What is it called? This is how it looks like. Me being me, shopping for tops. So this wasn't expected, but we shopped quite a few things from the market apparently. And I am liking the light over here, and my dad is here eating stuff. Dad! Mommy! Apparently this is some kokum sarbat with soda, which is like the kokum lime soda or something, which is like the speciality over here. I don't know if you can hear me, but it is really good. How does it taste? Amazing. It's good. So I couldn't drink it because मैंने hot chocolate पी रखी है and it may not go well in the stomach. So y'all know I'm a nutritionist, right? I have no clue why, but my dad was craving cheese Maggie out of nowhere. अरे तो तू भी बोला ना. हाँ. बोला जूस का बोला डैडी. इन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा चीज डाल दिया। Wow, just this is Maggie by the way. Happy birthday mom. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर ली है हमने। स्टिल एट द मार्केट, वी आर जस्ट लीविंग। हमने वो चीज़ वाली गरम गरम मैगी खा ली एंड नाउ वी आर हेडेड फॉर द कैब जिधर हमारा ड्राइवर ने पार्क करी है। एंड देन वी आर गोना गो बैक टू द होटल। देन वी हैव अ रिजर्वेशन बुक एट देयर गोवन restaurant or something, and then we're gonna have dinner there. And yeah, look what I saw while coming back, some casinos. Now obviously we are in the gaming room and we're playing Jenga. They are playing it for the first time, so they really can't figure out what to do. No shit. After playing Jenga, we are here again to shop something. Mom, what did you shop?
I shopped one top.
So this is what I'm wearing for tonight. No makeup on my face as usual. It is just lipstick and some liner, as you can see. So we are here at Taj Citade, Goa. Citade, sorry. Taj Citade Heritage Goa, and apparently this is 40-year-old property, and it is giving me a lot of old school vibes, I think. But this property is really beautiful. It is also connected with the Horizon, which is newly built. You will see the infinity pool from the Horizon in the vlog. I'm wanting to document all of my travel vlogs with my family, just so I could have it as a form of core memories, just to browse through later on whenever I grow up further. For dinner we had Goan fish curry, fish fry, which was I think kingfish fry, and butter chicken and roti and rice. Now we are headed to the room, and I'm probably going to shoot like a skincare video of the new Dew products that I was talking about on my Instagram. It's a non-sponsored reel. It's just because I really liked the products. I will be going off to sleep. You cannot miss this entry.
Cannot miss.
Good morning guys, it's my mom's birthday today, so wish her happy birthday in the comments right now. So I have no clue what happened, but I slept in the same outfit as yesterday. I was going to shoot a skincare reel, but I don't know, I was like so dead and so sleepy. I told myself we'll karenge, and I slept off. So that did not happen. And now we are headed for the breakfast. So yeah. What should I take for breakfast now? So we are just headed back to the room, and I will be I think taking a shower and then shooting like a quick get ready with me. I am in the same outfit since yesterday. I am done. Just look how pretty the beach is. Hi guys, so I am ready finally, and I've shot a lot of content. I shot Get Ready With Me, I shot the Dew content, and it's my mom's birthday today and she has gone for a spa. She asked me to come, but I was like, no, I need to shoot. I mean, I can't waste my time with the spa. But I'm not really like a massage person myself. They are just kind of decorating the whole room for my mom like before she comes, so that it's like a small little surprise for her. But I think it's gonna take some time. So what me and my dad were thinking is that we will hit the gym for a while, at least for half an hour. We might do something over there, but now I'm all decked up, so I'm thinking to just wear some casual clothes and go ASAP and do something and come back. So yeah, we'll take you with me. So see, this is how they have decorated the whole thing over here with balloons, and they will soon get the cake also. Mommy, कैसा था spa?
Oh my god, it was very relaxing.
हाँ क्या?
Super cool.
कितना टाइम लगा? अच्छा, इधर आ जरा.
Oh my god. What is this? Seriously?
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Oh,
बट एक सेकंड केक आ रहा है तो रुक जा फॉर द केक. So before we were headed to the gym, we decided to come on the terrace and see how it looks, and oh my god, it's quite pretty. Here's the top view from the terrace. Oh my god. So guys, here is what happened with the gym. Me and my dad went with our flip-flops on and they said that, bro, you need to wear a shoe. And I think it was on my mind, you know, I actually knew that, you know, I should wear a shoe, but then I couldn't find my socks and I was very lazy, you know what I mean. So then we just gave up on the gym and then we came back, and now I changed back again to the original outfit, and now we're going to cut my mom's birthday cake finally, because she is you know, done with her spa. So she's gonna take a shower and then get freshened up, and then we're gonna cut the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Romali. Happy birthday to you.
We just had lunch and now we're going off to sleep. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. So we had slept. Okay, don't ask why, how. We just dozed off. And now we are kinda late because the light is gonna go. It is around 5:15 right now. And we are now headed to the pool. We've worn our swimwears and now we are gonna go ASAP because otherwise the light is gonna go and I won't be able to click any photos. Can you see the view from behind? Straight. तो बीच में आड़े straight ले.
Natural कर रहा.
So now we are back at the room after, and I really didn't know what to wear, so I'm just wearing normal top and my shorts again. And we have ordered this. I don't know if you can see. So we ordered some food. So we are back at the room after a really nice swim at the infinity pool, viewing the whole sunset. It was a complete vibe. Took a shower, changed quickly into my normal outfit. We're very tired, so I think we're just going to rest for a bit and then go for dinner, sleep, and then leave tomorrow morning. So we are done with our dinner and we just came outside for some walking bit. And I haven't removed my makeup from before because I need to shoot like a unready with me video, so I've kept it on. I'll go shoot that once we are back in the room again. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. It's like a pink netty top along with my shorts. So yeah, so this is where we are staying, and behind is the horizon where we went in the pool and all of that. ASMR of the beach water. It's ice cream time. Hello guys, good morning. Now we're going to have breakfast. We've packed our bags almost and we're gonna leave. Leaving Goa is always so sad, but this is what I'm wearing. This is like my airport outfit, and we shot one post-transition reel that I will be posting it on my Instagram. It's for a change a no dosa kind of day, so I've taken like idli and some eggs and stuff for breakfast, and this one probably which is going to raise my blood sugars, but yeah. Mama, hi. Dad's gone to take some stuff there. One last time. Now we are heading to the checkout, and we have our cab at 10:30, flight at 1. So yeah, that's it guys. We are headed to the airport now. Mom, dad, bye bol do.
Bye.
So we are waiting for the flight since how many hours, Mom? ज़्यादा ही हो गए. 11 बजे से हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं.
अपन 11:20 से.
नहीं मम्मी, we waiting since 11. We are waiting since 11:15 and almost 2 hours हो गए अभी. and the flight is kinda delayed. एंड मैंने बोला था कि थोड़ा लेट निकलते, पर मेरा कोई सुनता ही नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, मेरा कोई सुनता ही नहीं है ना, प्रॉब्लम वो है ना. So we got some chocolates. Thank you so much guys for watching the entire vlog and showering me with all of your love. Since I've started YouTube, I know I need to practice and I get the hang of talking on videos. I mean a lot. So I've started off with what I feel is the most comfortable. And for me, I think that is vlog, and I hope I can give you good quality content. Eventually, I know I will be shifting to more informative educational videos as well. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned for that. And also, we have 800 subscribers right now. I mean, I am not the best at YouTube yet. I prefer travel vlogs. Because you know, you just have to show where you're traveling and you don't have to talk much. But I know I have to get used to it some or the other day. So thank you so much to each and everyone who has subscribed to my subscribe to my channel, because genuinely guys, thank you so much. I mean, it means the whole world to me, because I'm very new to YouTube, and your each and every subscription, I mean, jitne bhi logon ne subscribe kiya, it matters a lot to me. Okay, I'm not gonna get emotional. You guys, each and everyone here are personally like family to me, so thank you. And if there's anything that you want to ask about the whole travel or the journey, anything in between, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share it with someone who would love to travel to Goa. And stay tuned for more further vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe again. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you soon in my next one.